Welcome back, Focus Learners. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, artificial intelligence. But listen, we are not talking about abstract futuristic theories or dense tech jargon today. No way. Instead, we're demystifying AI and turning it into a straightforward, actionable playbook for creating passive income. If you've been wondering how to actually use these incredible new tools to build digital products without getting massive technical headaches, you are in exactly the right place. This explainer is going to give you the exact blueprint. So here's our roadmap to cut through all that hype. First, the AI expert myth. Second, the three-step AI workflow. Third, niches, automation, and results. Fourth, the ethics of AI income. And finally, number 5, stop waiting, start building. Let's jump right in. Section 1, the AI expert myth, no coding required. All right, let's address the elephant in the room right off the bat. Your biggest fear? It might be that AI is just a playground for tech bros and developers who speak fluent Python. That old myth tells you that to build AI-powered digital products, you gotta understand machine learning and crazy algorithms. But the reality? Honestly, you just need a laptop, a little bit of stubbornness, and the ability to ask good questions. Today's AI tools, they're basically just highly efficient digital assistants. If you know how to type a question into a search bar, you already have the foundational skill you need to use AI. Seriously. Let's take a look at your new digital tool stack. You can literally replace an entire creative team for just pennies. Need a copywriter? Jasper and ChatGPT have got your back. What about a whole graphic design department? Canva Magic Write, Dolly, Midjourney, and Kittl are standing by. And if you want to create video content without ever showing your face on camera, tools like Pictory and Descript handle faceless video effortlessly. You really don't need a massive budget. You just need to know which of these smart assistants to call on. Moving on to Section 2, the three-step AI workflow, idea to income. So, now that we know you absolutely do not need to be a coder, let's break down the exact engines solo creators are using to actually build these products from the ground up. We're going to anchor this in the rule of 3. Step 1 is ideation. Step 2, creation. And step 3, distribution. It's a really rhythmic, easy-to-remember framework for your whole production process. Whenever you feel overwhelmed by all the crazy possibilities of AI, just take a breath and bring yourself back to this simple 3-step framework. Let's kick things off with step 1, ideation. Imagine just feeding this exact prompt into an AI tool right now. What are trending printable planner ideas for teachers? The whole point of the ideation phase is using AI to completely cure that dreaded blank page syndrome. You don't have to sit around waiting for inspiration to strike like lightning. You just need to start the conversation. AI gets the momentum going, and let me tell you, that is half the battle when you're a solo creator trying to build up your digital inventory. Ask for niche ebook topics geared toward busy parents. Brainstorm ideas for a faceless YouTube channel, or use it to hunt down underserved digital product trends. The secret here, the AI doesn't have to be 100% perfect right out of the gate. It just gets you started. It gets you moving. Once you got your idea, you rocket into step 2, creation. And the speed here is just wild. One creator literally just typed 90s style planner cover with cats and neon into Dolly. In seconds, and I mean without a single ounce of artistic talent, they got the exact, highly specific visual they needed. They totally nailed it. No hunting for stock photos, no paying a freelance illustrator, just instant creation. But the real trick is how you manage this creation phase. The goal isn't perfection, it's ruthless editing and maintaining that fast momentum. So you draft messy first passes with Jasper, you outline your planners using Canva's Magic Write. But, and this is absolutely crucial, you always run your final text through Grammarly because typos will absolutely kill your sales. And for video, feed those ChatGPT scripts directly into Pictory for instant generation. Let the tools do the heavy lifting, and then you step in to polish it up. Which brings us seamlessly to step 3. Distribution. Once your product is made, these platforms step in to do the heavy lifting of actually finding buyers. You upload your printables to Etsy and just let their search engine go to work. You can publish eBooks on Amazon KDP, reaching a global audience completely for free. Or schedule faceless videos on YouTube, optimizing them with tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. You feed these platforms your AI-optimized keywords, and boom, they become your global storefront. Section 3. Niches, automation, and results. Real money. Okay, creating the product is great, but making real money, that requires strategy. And here's a massive warning for you. Don't go too broad. Fitness products, that is a broad, boring, and hyper-saturated market where you will completely drown in the competition. Instead, use AI to dig super deep and find tiny, highly profitable niches, something like printable meal planners for CrossFit moms. You want a niche so specific that you can completely own it. AI keyword research tools are basically superpowers for uncovering these hidden little pockets of demand. Once you own that niche, you automate it. This is exactly how a passive income stream actually stays passive. You hook up tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit for AI-assisted welcome emails and upsell sequences. You let Buffer or Hootsuite's AI suggestions help you schedule an entire month of social media posts in just an hour. You bake affiliate links right into your eBooks so you get these effortless trickles of secondary income. It's the ultimate set it and forget it playbook. Let's ground all these abstract concepts in a quick reality check. 60%. To put that into perspective, according to our source material, a travel planner used AI to build a database of unusual destinations, and she fully automated her email follow-ups. Her bookings jumped by a staggering 60%. And the best part? She's spending a fraction of the time glued to her phone. And hey, if that doesn't get you fired up, take a look at this number. $59,000. One solo creator grew a super tight niche content site, bringing in nearly $3,000 a month using just AI-assisted articles. Then they turned right around and sold the whole thing for $59,000. That is the very real, tangible potential of an AI-assisted side hustle when you execute it right. Section 4. The ethics of AI income. Keeping it human. All right, let's bring those soaring financial dreams back down to earth for a second to talk about the rules of the game, your ethical playbook. First up, always disclose your AI use when platforms like Amazon KDP ask. They're looking for transparency, not trying to ban you. Second, never, ever use AI to blatantly copy a living artist's specific style. Third, always manually verify and credit your sources when it comes to facts and stats. And finally, avoid publishing products that are 100% AI written. Transparency and honesty aren't just good morals, guys. They're good business. Customer trust is literally your most valuable asset. I really want you to take this core philosophy to heart. Use AI as your sidekick, not your ghostwriter. The human in the loop, that's you. Your unique voice, your editing, your quality control, that is exactly what transforms a raw AI output into a trustworthy product that actually sells. The AI gives you speed, but you give it a soul. Finally, Section 5, stop waiting, start building. We've covered the tools, the workflow, the strategy, and the ethics. Now, it's all about motivation. The landscape right now is wide open for scrappy beginners. Think about it. Faceless YouTube channels are undeniably the future for introverted creators. Combining resale rights with AI-generated assets creates incredibly low-effort income streams. AI art makes it totally possible to launch an entire print-on-demand merch store over a single weekend. But the absolute biggest takeaway? Do not wait for the perfect AI tool to come along, because this tech is evolving every single day. So I'm going to leave you with this final provocative question. Are you going to keep waiting until you feel completely ready? Or are you going to jump in, use these tools, and publish your messy first draft today? The passive income landscape is just sitting there waiting for people willing to tinker, make some mistakes, and learn by doing. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Now, go open up that laptop, ask a really smart question, and start building.